In a gathering, the author stated that even a small coin holds a distinct proportion or relationship to 1000 or even 10,000 rupees or dollars, whatever may be the currency. However, rational or inferential belief in the existence of Allah Almighty has no comparison or relationship with intuitive or experiential belief. Therefore, believing in the existence of Allah, a belief that comes to a person after observing worldly proofs, listening to the words of parents, teachers, or reading books, has no connection or proportion to intuitive or experiential faith. In simple terms, intuitive faith means that a person's heart directly testifies that God exists, just as a person's heart is certain that his parents, siblings, and children exist. When the heart bears witness that God exists, the person who is blessed with such certainty possesses intuitive or experiential faith.